What if I told you there are animals that can walk on water, shoot electricity, punch faster than a bullet, and even reverse aging itself? It sounds like something from a superhero movie, but these incredible abilities are real. Nature has spent millions of years creating creatures with powers that seem impossible. Today, we're counting down 12 animals with real superpowers. And trust me, the final animal may be the closest thing to immortality ever discovered. Let's begin.
Number 12. Archerfish, the underwater sniper. Most fish hunt underwater. The archerfish hunts in the air. This remarkable fish shoots jets of water at insects resting above the water's surface. The water projectile can travel over 2 meters and knock prey directly into the water. What's truly incredible is that the fish automatically compensates for light distortion caused by water. In other words, it instinctively solves a complex optical problem every time it fires. Scientists have recorded accuracy rates exceeding 90%. Not bad for a fish.
Number 11. Gecko, the real Spider-Man. Geckos can run up walls, across ceilings, and even hang upside down. But their feet aren't sticky. Each foot contains millions of microscopic hairs. These hairs create molecular forces that allow the gecko to cling to surfaces. A single toe can support a surprising amount of weight. Scientists are now studying gecko feet to develop next-generation adhesives and climbing robots. Spider-Man has nothing on this little reptile. Number 10. Chameleon, the 360-degree hunter. Most animals look in one direction at a time. A chameleon can look in 2. Its eyes move independently, allowing it to scan nearly 360 degrees around its body. And when prey is spotted, its tongue launches like a biological missile. Some species can extend their tongue more than twice the length of their body. The strike happens in a fraction of a second, making the chameleon one of nature's most efficient hunters. Number 9. Peregrine Falcon, the living missile. The peregrine falcon is the fastest animal on Earth. During a hunting dive known as a stoop, it can exceed 320 kilometers per hour. That's faster than many race cars. At those speeds, even a tiny mistake could be fatal. Yet peregrine falcons regularly strike moving birds with astonishing precision. Nature engineered its own fighter jet.
Number 8. Flying snake, the gliding reptile. Snakes aren't supposed to fly, but this one does. Flying snakes flatten their bodies into a wing-like shape and launch themselves from trees. They can glide distances approaching 100 meters. Scientists still study exactly how these reptiles control their flight so effectively. It's one of the strangest forms of movement in the animal kingdom. Number 7. Electric eel, the living taser. The electric eel carries thousands of specialized cells that act like biological batteries. When activated together, these cells generate powerful electric shocks. Some species can produce up to around 860 volts. That's enough to stun prey and deter predators. Electric eels even use weaker electrical signals to navigate murky water. It's like having built-in night vision and a taser at the same time. Number 6. Lyrebird, the sound imposter. The lyrebird possesses one of the most bizarre talents in nature. It can imitate almost any sound it hears. Chainsaws, camera shutters, car alarms, other birds, even human voices. Some recordings are so convincing that people struggle to tell the difference. It's essentially a living sound effects machine. Number 5. Octopus, the master escape artist. The octopus may be the smartest invertebrate on Earth. It can solve puzzles, open containers, use tools, and squeeze through openings barely larger than its eye. Even more impressive, its skin can change color almost instantly. Combined with its intelligence, the octopus seems more like an alien than a sea creature. Number 4. Cuttlefish, the invisible animal. If invisibility existed in nature, the cuttlefish would have mastered it.
Within a second, it can change color, pattern, and even skin texture. It can imitate rocks, coral, sand, and seaweed. Researchers consider its camouflage system among the most advanced in the entire animal kingdom. It's a real-life cloaking device. Number 3. Basilisk Lizard, the Jesus Lizard. This reptile has earned an unusual nickname, the Jesus Lizard, because it can run across water. Specialized feet create pockets of air that allow the animal to stay above the surface. Young basilisks can sprint across water for several meters before sinking. Watching it in action looks like a special effect, except it's completely real.
Number 2. Mantis Shrimp, the Super Puncher. The Mantis Shrimp delivers one of the fastest strikes in the animal kingdom. Its punch accelerates so quickly that the surrounding water briefly boils and forms cavitation bubbles. When those bubbles collapse, they create a second shockwave. The strike is powerful enough to crack shells and even damage aquarium glass. And as if that wasn't enough, Mantis Shrimp possess one of the most advanced visual systems ever discovered. A superhero with super strength and supervision. Number 1. Immortal Jellyfish, the animal that cheats death. Most living things age in one direction. The immortal jellyfish does something extraordinary. When injured or stressed, it can reverse its life cycle. Its adult cells transform back into a juvenile stage, essentially allowing the animal to start over again. Scientists call it one of the only known creatures capable of biological immortality. It's perhaps the closest thing to a fountain of youth ever found in nature. So, which of these incredible superpowers surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed discovering nature's real superheroes, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more amazing facts from our incredible planet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.